Have you ever wondered how analysts predict outcomes based on several different factors at once? That is where multiple linear regression comes in. At its core, this statistical method is about predicting a single target value by looking at how multiple independent variables influence it. This formula helps us weigh the impact of each input. Y is what we want to predict, while X represents our different data points. By isolating these variables, researchers can see which factors have the most significant impact on the final result. While simple regression looks at one relationship, the multiple version captures the complexity of real-world scenarios much better. The model assigns weights to these factors, allowing us to visualize which inputs are driving the most change in our target. Statistics are powerful tools for estimation, but always remember that they are based on historical data and cannot guarantee future results. Understanding these models helps you interpret professional data analysis more effectively. Subscribe for more finance basics, and thanks for watching.